Hi mates, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off the game activity on Discord. And trust me, there's nothing complicated, it's very easy and simple. Just make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. So let's don't waste any more of your time, let me show you how. At first, open your Discord, but as you can see here below my username, it appears this message that's saying that I'm playing Microsoft Store. Actually, that isn't possible because neither Microsoft is open nor you're able to play Microsoft. So yeah, it's a little bit strange. But how to disable this option? Actually, that option is called game activity. But how to disable it? Just click on user settings next to your headphones and go in where is it? Game activity here. Game activity, yeah. So now if you want to turn off your game activity, just turn on this option here, display currently running game as a status message, and yeah, turn it off. So but now when you click escape, as you can see, there's no more this annoying message that's saying we are playing something. And yep, so that was it. That was a tutorial how to turn on and turn off the display, how to turn on and turn on the game activity on Discord. So if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.